Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with the East meets West plane that I built. I made a slight modification to it, trying to see if it helps. So, as you know, it looks like an Eastern style kana, but it has a Western style blade and chip breaker. And I can either push it or I can pull it. And grain direction means nothing to this Hawk iron set. So, what changes did I make? Well, in my reading in years past, I remember where the Japanese plane makers would set up their kana, but they have a special plane that they would run across this. It's almost like a scraper in this area and in this area, leaving the area around the mouth and the front and back, or the toe and the heel. And what that does is it relieves contact with the wood. And in the past videos, I did mention where when you get a plane that you may be restoring, the key is contact in front of the mouth, heel and toe. So if this were a Western plane, you want contact in front of the cutter blade. And I don't know why we're getting this shadow. You want contact in front of the blade, back here and back here. This doesn't matter and this doesn't matter. Not so much. But it's also nice if you have contact behind the mouth. So that's about it for this one. I hope you found this interesting, useful, helpful, maybe entertaining. Now, I don't know how this would work with my wooden planes. I might just have to try that and get back to you. It may actually help, but not that it needs any help. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.